Home is where the family is. Family is where the home is. Family, where life begins and love never ends. A family tie is like a tree. It can bend but not break. A family is like a thick forest. When you are outside, it is dense. When you are inside, you see that each tree has its place. Like an army, a family's strength is in its loyalty to each other. A family in harmony will prosper and excel in everything. If the family is together, the soul is in the right place. Blood is more viscous than water. Our blood ties exist beyond national and continental boundaries. Yes, that is true of all Africans. Bantu, Anu, Vatu, Vanhu, BaTonga, Bakalanga, VaMbire, VaNdau, VaNgoni, VaSotho, VaVenda, Vatswana, and many more. We belong together. Awukho, umuti, ongela, ukukhuluma, kwawo. Akuna, dziva, risina, chura. There are always challenges in every home. Let us unite and resolve our issues. Ariko paneng rirarule matata aruna. Regardless of ethnicity, language, and location, let us get our Bantu family system back together now.